Wow, wow. It's an amazing day here with Dr. Breakthrough. And again, I always give a disclaimer. I can't provide a breakthrough. I just prescribe the breakthrough. But when you follow my breakthrough prescription, God provides it. And the breakthrough is exploding through barriers that at one time seemed insurmountable. Well, the greatest thing happening now to get a breakthrough is AI. I want to show you something, my friend. I just received my apprenticeship AI certification. Matter of fact, how do I demonstrate this to you? Well, let me share my screen here. Look at this. Hey, hey, hey. Dr. Breakthrough Certified. By the way, you got to constantly be learning and growing, my friend. And by the way, you can get one scholarship. Absolutely, again, free to you. Now it's worth $1,000, but scholarship by the company. So if you look at the bottom here, just go to free AI cert, CERT.com. You can get yours free. You can go through this. It's simple, it's easy, but it's very powerful and it's very practical, my friend. Why not get AI certified? One of the things, again, my friend, about success is you got to get AI ready. You got to get AI ready, but then number two, you got to get AI what I call certified, but to stay with the R, AI ready, then AI regulated or certified. So then you can get AI rich. Come on, somebody, rich, RICH, raking in cash happily, rich, residual increase, compliments, happiness, rich, receiving insight, creating happiness, rich, raking in cash honestly. Come on, somebody. So again, my friend, we're talking about a powerful system. We call it AI times three. So artificial intelligence plus your own anointed intelligence equals the third AI, astronomical improvements. Hey, are you into having astronomical improvements? Yes, yes, or yes. That's another word for a breakthrough. And as Dr. Breakthrough, I can prescribe that. So again, AI, especially this AI times three, is going to help the average person create above average results. Would you like to have above average results? Watch this now. The average person create above average results. So if you're above average, you're really going to get some extra results. But again, the average person to create above average results and even above average income in below average time. But here's the key, with below average efforts. Ooh, see, Archimedes said, if I had a lever long enough and a prop strong enough, he said I could single-handedly move the world. So come on, my friend. Get certified. It's one thing I can say, well, I'm a 10th degree black belt, certified, grandmaster, blah, blah, blah. Well, hey, let's get you AI certified, very basic. And again, you don't have to pay anything. The company's taking care of it. There's no credit card information or anything. You just get in, just start taking these lessons, and they are so powerful and they're so practical. So again, my friend, matter of fact, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna change my background. But anyway, so let's make it again free. Go to free AI cert, CERT.com. Free AICert.com. Hey, 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 look at me. I got a certification, my friend. And by the way, you want to constantly be learning. See, Scott Hoffer said, learners shall inherit the earth, while the learned find themselves beautifully equipped to live in the world that no longer exists. That means all the degrees I had and have, they don't qualify me for what we need to do today. By the way, oh my goodness, Alvin Toffler said something super powerful, and that is this. He said, the illiterate of the 21st century, are you writing this down? Will not be those who cannot read or write, but rather those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. Ooh, did you get that? I'm saying the illiterate of the 21st century, Alvin Toffler said, will not be those who cannot read and write, but rather those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. So listen, 65 years wise, I'm still learning. You need to learn, my friend. And so go check out free at the bottom right, free AI cert, CERT.com, and you get access to that, my friend. And let's get you certified, get your own certificate. It took me about an hour, 10 minutes, maybe hour, 15 minutes, 7 simple modules. And the first couple ones just broken down like minute, 2, 3. But anyway, I'm super excited, my friend, and I want you to take advantage of this. It's breakthrough time, my friend, and you get involved. By the way, I'm part owner of the company. I'm the chief breakthrough officer, and we'll be doing some amazing things. Over 30,000 people in 3 months are part of this. You don't want to miss out. 30,000 people can't be wrong. So don't you be wrong. Come on now, get strong. God bless.